Welcome to Verizon Innovative Learning. Have you ever used an app and wondered how it all works? What makes it behave the way it does? Computer scientists develop apps using computer programs, also known as code. Before programming an app or a game, computer scientists work within a team to design and program their app. They brainstorm ideas together and decide what the characters will be, how they'll behave, and what the object of the app or game will be. In this activity, you'll be developing a game on your tablet using the Tinker application. Your tablet has a Tinker project that has already been started for you. Your job is to complete the game and make sure it works properly. The main character of the game is a dog. The goal of the game is for the dog to collect as many tokens as possible and get to its doghouse before time is up. In Tinker, each object you see on the screen is referred to as an actor. You can add code blocks to each actor to tell it what to do. For example, the code for the dog tells it to constantly move on the screen in the direction that the tablet is tilted. Notice how the code blocks are organized into categories to make it easier for you to find. The control flow category includes blocks that will run when something happens in the game. For example, the on-start block runs when you touch the play button. The when true occurs runs when the condition that you choose in your program becomes true. For example, when time is up or when two actors bump into each other. Another common category is the motion category. The blocks in this category control how the actor moves and turns on the screen. The cars already have code instructing them to move appropriately. There is some code for a timer that will stop the game once time is up. There is also code started for the player's score, but it will be up to you to decide when and how the score is updated in the game. As it stands now, the game shows a piece of candy and a dog bone. When the dog touches the candy, the bone, or even the cars, nothing happens. What do you think should happen when these actors collide with the dog? When programming, you should always add the code to the actor that is going to do the behavior. Let's take the event of the dog colliding with a car. Ask yourself, what do I want to happen when the dog collides with the car? Let's say you want to make the dog bark and then disappear. Ask yourself, who is doing the barking and the disappearing? Since it's the dog, you should add the code to the dog actor. On the dog actor, add the code to run when the dog touches the red car. The play sound block is located in the sounds category, and the hide block is in the looks category. Similarly, you can decide what you want actors to do when the collision happens between the dog and the candy and the dog and the bone. Then you can add the code to the appropriate actor. Now it's time for you to finish programming the game so players can get the dog to his doghouse with a stack of juicy bones.